Hi there. Today I wanted to take a look at Google Classroom and I want to show you what it looks like on your end when I grade something and return it to you, and also when I write comments and places where you can find those. So let's take a look. All right, so I am in a Drew's Google Classroom. I'm going to go to Math since that's what I'm showing you today. There are a couple of things that I want to show you, and it specifically relates to classwork. So I clicked on classwork, and there are two that I kind of want to, actually, I'm going to go back to stream for a minute. I lied, sorry. I just kind of want to see if it says anything. There are two assignments for him. Oh, okay. So it does say turned in late. Okay. So you can go to the stream and view. Okay, it was returned. Okay, that's what I wanted to check. Okay, so this is one we're going to look at today. It says it's missing. And then there's another one I wanted to check. Oh, turned in late. Okay, those are the two we're going to look at. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to click on this one. It was turned in late. So one of the cool things that I've discovered is that I can grade your assignments and it'll create a PDF so that you can kind of see if it's right or wrong. And I do that right on my computer. It's super helpful for me. It makes it able for me to grade it really quickly for you, okay? So this looks normal to you, or it should. If I write class comments or something that I notice, I would put it down here and it would appear. That means everyone is going to see it, just so you know, okay? Over here are private comments, okay? You can see that on April 5th, I wrote to Drew, please finish and submit your work, okay? He then later turned it in late, so he must have finished and turned it in. Now this is a private comment, which means only he and I can see it, okay? Now up here, this is his slide. And when you see an edited PDF, I'm going to click on that. That's going to show you what I have written. This is me grading it. And I usually would probably write a comment too. But for me, and I think most teachers are like this too, a star would mean it's correct. And if it's circled, there's something missing. So you can see up here, he left this one blank. And if we scroll down, here, here, and here, he needs to add some work that was in the video. Okay, so I would expect him to finish that and resubmit it. Okay, so I'm going to go back for a minute. I want to just click on this and see what it looks like. I wanted to see if I wrote any comments. I know I had written comments on the front, but it doesn't look like I made any more on here. So I'm gonna, if you notice here, there's nowhere for us to turn in. There's no turn in button in slide. So you have to do that here. Now this was already turned in late. If we wanted to make changes or do something to it, we could click unsubmit. Okay. All right, let's go back. I'm going to go to that other one I was telling you about because I know that I made comments on it. Okay. 3. It's not that one. It's this one. No, not that one. That's missing though. Oh, I skipped it. I'm sorry. I have to find it. Returned, turned in late. Where'd it go? Oh, it was before that. This one. Okay. All right, now here you notice there aren't any private comments and it says this is missing. So we probably should go in and check it. Okay, it looks like he has it finished. Another thing that you're going to notice is here. When I have two options on leaving notes. I can, or make a comment. I can make it in the private comments, or I could do it here on the page. Okay, now I'm going to tell you two things. I really like to leave the private comment on the assignment. I think some of you aren't seeing them. The reason I don't like to do this one is because what happens is there is this magic button called resolve. And some students like to click resolve so that it will disappear. I don't want it to disappear until you have done what the comment says. So this says, this is a cool shape. Reread the directions and please fix and resubmit. So he knows he's going to have to turn it in. Okay. He never turned it in the first place, actually. So if we reread, use the shapes to circle your current age. Oh, that's not a circle. So he needs to insert a circle. That's what he needs to do. So since I'm in as Drew right now, I'm gonna, oops, I deleted the comment when I did that. I'm gonna circle. Now, Mrs. Dunn doesn't do this for you. We're just in Drew's. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Okay, so now it's a circle. Okay, so now it looks good. Again, no submit button. So for him to turn it in, yes, it's done, but I need him to go back to the assignment and he has to click turn in here. That lets me know that he's finished and it's ready for me to grade. If he doesn't turn it in, I don't think it's ready to grade. I cannot go through every assignment, all 70 of my students, and see, are they done? Are they done? Are they done? Instead, I need you to follow directions and turn it in. So we're going to go ahead and click turn in. It'll ask you again to turn in. And then our status up here should change from missing to turned in. Give it a minute. So I really like to write the comments here. Okay, so this now says this was turned in late. So one thing that you might want to see is if Teacherese says that it's missing, oops. If Teacherese says that it's missing, you might want to check in here. If it says returned, like this one, then you should probably go in and see, are there any comments? Okay, so on this one, you can see we had some comments back and forth. I said you turned this in without being done. Please finish and return. And then 3 days later, I said, please complete this and turn it in. He hadn't done it. Then here, he said, I will do it. And then I said, thanks. And he turned it in. He turned it in. And it was returned. Do not keep clicking, do not resubmit unless I told him here, resubmit. Okay, so what you're doing every time you turn that in, you're telling me to look at it. If I already know that you have it done and I've already checked it, or maybe I've checked it and haven't put it in Teacherese, please don't keep turning it into me, because then I have to, if you turn it in 5 times, I have to look at it 5 times, and that's taking away from time that I could be doing something else or helping someone. So please don't do that. But hopefully now you know that you can see if things are turned in, returned, missing, whatever. Returned means that I have seen it. Either you will see comments or I will put a sticker on it telling you it's good to go. So hopefully that helps with Teacherese. If you have any more questions, let me know.